Hello, this is Michael here, and I'll be opening one of the greatest movies of all time, Forrest Gump. Now, here I go. Now, this is the DVD version, by the way, as y'all know. Now, let's see if they kept the disc in a neat order. Okay, we have a Forrest Gump DVD here. Shit. That looks good. Yeah. Someone must have messed up here, because this thing is, this is, I don't know what it is, but yeah, let's see the condition. Now, this is a great movie, but the classic line of this movie is definitely the line where it's like, "Run, Forrest, run." I love that line. Anyways, this movie won 6 Academy Awards, including Best Picture. So this was a spectacular movie, and I think many different people of many different generations should see this timeless classic. It is really, really touching and just a great movie. So I recommend you to watch it. So, yeah. Peace.